Children, already I told you, now we are going to see the poem Bender the Blender. Already I told you the blender, the name of mixer jar. Okay, and Bender is the name of mixer jar. Now we will enter into the poem. There once was a blender. There once was a blender. His name was Bender. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. First, we will see the meaning for first paragraph. There once was a blender. So, once upon a time, there was a blender. His name was Bender. What is the name of the blender? The name of the blender was Bender. When no one was home, if there is nobody in the home means he would come alive and roam. What is the meaning of alive? உயிரோட வருவாங்களாம் சரிங்களா. He would come alive and roam. உயிரோட வந்து அங்கேயும் இங்கேயும் சுற்றுவாங்களாம். And second paragraph, all his friends would be there soon. All his friends would be there soon. While roaming, all his friends will come and join with the blender as soon. அந்த பிளண்டர் நடந்து வருது இல்லையா, ஸோ அது நடந்து வரதை பார்த்த உடனே அதனுடைய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாரும் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்களாம், அந்த பிளண்டர் கூட ஜாயின் ஆகிக்குவாங்களாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், த நைஃப், த ஃபோர்க் அண்ட் த ஸ்பூன். ஸோ ஹூ ஆர் த ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் பிளண்டர்? Knife, fork and spoon. So they are the friends of blender. What is knife? Already I told you it is a kitchen utensil used to chop or cut the vegetables. Fork, it is the kind of spoon we will eat noodles with the help of fork. Okay, and next one, spoon. It is also the kitchen utensils. We can use it to eat food items, and also for measuring. For measurement, we will use the spoon. Okay. Now the next line. They would gather around. So all of them will gather around. Gather means ஒன்று சேர்ந்துக்குவாங்களாம். And run all over the ground. எல்லாரும் ஒன்று சேர்ந்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்களாம், அந்த வீட்டில் இருக்கு இல்லையா அந்த பிளேஸ் எல்லாமே சேர்ந்து சுற்றுவாங்களாம். நெக்ஸ்ட், soon everyone is glum, hearing the car vroom vroom. They have to draw the line and wait until next time. So in this passage, what is the meaning of glum? Glum means sad and quiet. ரொம்ப சேட் ஆகிட்டு அமைதி ஆகிடுறது தான் glum அப்படின்றது. ஏன் சேட் ஆகிட்டாங்க? Let's see the another line. Hearing the car vroom vroom. Because they hear the கார் சவுண்ட், அந்த காரோடைய சவுண்டு கேட்டுருச்சு, அதனால என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க, எல்லாரும் வராங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு they was sad. They have to draw the line and wait until for next time. All the members of the houses were came back. அவங்க வீட்டு மெம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாமே என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க, திருப்பி வீட்டுக்கு வந்துட்டாங்க. Now they want to go back to the places. அந்த பிளண்டரும் அதோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணும், they want to go back to their places. அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு அவங்க எப்போ வீட்டை விட்டு வெளியில் போகிறாங்களோ அப்போ தான் இவங்க வெளியில் வரதுக்கான சான்சஸ் கிடைக்கும். தட்ஸ் வை தே வர் லுக்கிங் வெரி சேட். ஓகே குட்டீஸ், திஸ் இஸ் த போம். Students, now I am going to give you the material reading. Take your material in the hand and don't forget to split it. First Roman, memory lines. There once was a blender. His name was Bender. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. Once again I will repeat it. There once was a blender. His name was Bender. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. Second Roman, dictation words. Blender, B-L-E-N-D-E-R, blender. Knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife. Fork, F-O-R-K, fork. Spoon, S-P-O-O-N, OON, spoon. And last one, friend. FRIEND, friend. Now, third Roman, Rome. ROAM, Rome. Wander. WANDER, wander. Gather. GATHER, gather. Collect. COLLECT, collect. Soon. SOON, soon. Early. EARLY, early. Alive. ALIVE, alive. Live. LIVE, live. Glum. GLUM, glum. Gloomy. GLOOMY, gloomy. Next Roman, answer the following questions. Who was who was there once upon a time? Who was there once upon a time? Blender was there once upon a time. Whose name was Blunder? Whose name was Blunder? Blunder name was Bender. Blunder name was Bender. Who gets life? Who gets life? Blunder gets life. Blunder gets life. Was anyone at home? Was anyone at home? No. Anyone was not at home. No. Anyone was not at home. What is mean by blunder? What is mean by blunder? Blunder means mixer or churner. Blunder means mixer or churner. Okay, children, you want to practice it again? Thank you.